What is your name? My name is Karan. How are you? I am fine. Where do you live? I live in USA. What do you do? I am a pilot. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What is the day today? Today is Sunday. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Are you busy? No, I am free. Can I help you? Yes, please. Where is the restroom? It is over there. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Can you repeat that? Sure, I can. What is this? This is a pencil. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. How was your day? It was good. Where is your phone? It is on the bed. What is your hobby? My hobby is painting. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Can I borrow this? Yes, you can. Is it raining? No, it is sunny. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. Do you have a car? Yes, I have. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. What is your job? I am a doctor. How do you go to work? I go by bus. What is your favorite drink? I like coffee. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Where is your school? It is near the tree. Do you watch TV? Yes, sometimes. Is this your bag? Yes, it is mine. Do you like traveling? Yes, I enjoy it. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and toast. How is the weather? It is cold today. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Where are your keys? They are in my bag. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. What is your mother's name? Her name is Sarah. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 sisters. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Are you married? No, I am single. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where do you buy groceries? I buy them at the supermarket. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.